solve this problem? What can we do about it? Ryan, I need you right here. Sit down, please. What can we do to solve this problem? Do we have any friends to help us solve the problems? Huh? Who are those people? Alexis, I need you. We got the thinking boy to help us solve problems, right? And he stopped and think, what is this problem? He think, Alexis, right? How do you think? Come on. Turn the light on your brain. Think. How can I solve the problem? How can you guys solve the problem?
I know how to solve the problem.
Oh, look at Gabriel's being a super friend. He's going to try to help you guys solve the problem. They're having a problem over the what? The gum drum? Wait, no, we got to solve this problem first. How can we solve this problem? What else can we use?
Maybe it's the
Alexis?
Can
we share the gum drum? How can we share that? What can we do?
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Oh, it was not people that we were having trouble with.
Oh yeah.
So, is she gave it to you? Is she shared? What, should Ryan let Alexis be? No.
Okay.
Gabriel, if you give me a piece of candy because I wanted it. Oh, see? I just heard that. They share and they say, thank you.
I give them.
Good job solving your problem. Ryan, high five.
Sorry, Ryan.
Great job solving your problem.